Kia launches the new K5 GT-Line all-wheel drive trim for 2022 with premium package. The K5's advanced all-wheel drive helps provide optimum driving performance by actively distributing torque between front and rear axles to help give you added traction and control. At the same time, will help you handle any changes in road surface for both all-weather and spirited driving occasions. The standard 180 horsepower turbocharged engine delivers 195 pound-feet of torque, starting at 1,500 RPM. Lots of power at low engine speeds, and exceptional confidence-inspiring performance when you need it. K5 is designed for engaging road grip with the feel of premium European sport sedans. Its wide track suspension is the widest in class, with advanced lightweight materials for responsive handling and agile steering. Available performance-enhancing 19-inch Pirelli P0 tires help you keep it under control. The head-turning K5 GT line gains the new Kia badging and also convenience features such as surround view monitor, additional wireless chargers and standard navigation. The new GT-Line all-wheel drive premium package added a panoramic sunroof, heated steering wheel, LED projection headlights and additional driver assistance features, including highway driving assist and navigation-based smart cruise control curve, designed to unleash the spirit of the everyday driver. A lightweight yet robust steel structure, built on an advanced third-generation N3 platform, helps secure passenger safety. K5's advanced 9-airbag system offers protection from the front and sides within the cabin, including a driver's knee airbag. K5 is sporty and sleek throughout. An available 10.25-inch touchscreen puts control at your fingertips with navigation, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. With available Kia Connect connected routing getting you through traffic, you'll optimize your drive time. Up to 5 available USB ports, music streaming support for multiple devices, and an available wireless phone charger help you stay connected on the road. The 2022 Kia K5 GT-Line all-wheel drive premium package has a starting price of $27,690 plus a $995 destination charge.